Here we go again! Here we go again!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. York River, James River from Jamestown to the James River Bridge until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail 5 nautical miles southwest of Coleman Bridge, moving east at 30 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Coleman Bridge around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To Marshes Light around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. York Spitreef and New Point Comfort around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. At 3